Have you ever wondered what the job market might look like in a world dominated by artificial intelligence? How many of today's jobs could become obsolete as AI continues to evolve and take on more complex tasks? It's a fascinating, if somewhat unsettling prospect to consider. First on the list are data entry clerks. With the leaps and bounds made in optical character recognition and natural language processing, AI systems can now efficiently process and input data into databases, making human data entry clerks less necessary. Next, consider telemarketers. AI-powered chatbots and voice recognition systems are becoming increasingly adept at handling customer inquiries and sales calls, making the role of human telemarketers increasingly obsolete. Retail cashiers, too, could be a thing of the past. Automated checkout systems and cashierless stores equipped with computer vision and sensor fusion technology make the need for human cashiers in retail environments increasingly redundant. Assembly line workers are also at risk. Industrial robots and automated machinery can perform repetitive assembly tasks with precision, reducing the demand for human assembly line workers. Customer service representatives may also see a decline in demand. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a wide range of customer inquiries and support tasks, reducing the need for human customer service representatives. Bookkeepers and accounting clerks are not immune either. AI-powered accounting software can automate tasks such as data entry, reconciliation, and financial reporting, diminishing the demand for human bookkeepers and accounting clerks. Data analysts could also see their roles changing. AI algorithms have the ability to analyze large data sets and generate insights at a speed and scale beyond human capabilities, potentially replacing some tasks traditionally performed by data analysts. Medical transcriptionists may also find their roles shifting. Speech recognition technology combined with AI can accurately transcribe medical dictations and records, reducing the need for human medical transcriptionists. Legal assistants could be affected too. AI-powered legal research tools and document review software can assist lawyers in analyzing case law, drafting legal documents, and conducting due diligence, potentially reducing the need for legal assistance. Finally, financial analysts. AI algorithms can analyze market trends, assess investment opportunities, and generate financial forecasts with speed and accuracy, potentially replacing some tasks traditionally performed by financial analysts. In summary, a wide range of jobs from data entry clerks to financial analysts could potentially be replaced by AI as technology continues to advance. While this may seem daunting, it's important to remember that with change comes opportunity. As some roles become obsolete, new ones will emerge, and the landscape of work will continue to evolve. It's an exciting time to be part of this ever-changing world. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and keep learning.